In today's video, I am going to teach you how to measure customer acquisition in Google Analytics 4. Measuring customer acquisition in GA4 is really about understanding where new people are coming from and which channels are actually driving meaningful actions. Two reports are especially helpful for this: user acquisition, which focuses on first-time visitors; traffic acquisition, which focuses on the sources for each session. In this walkthrough, we will focus on the traffic acquisition view so you can connect channels to sessions and outcomes. Start by going to Google Analytics 4 and landing on the home area for your property. From there, look at the left-hand navigation and click on Reports. This is where GA4 keeps the standard reporting dashboards that most teams use to monitor performance. Once you are in Reports, click into the section highlighted in the navigation to open the acquisition-related reporting area. Then click the next highlighted item to continue drilling into the acquisition collection. The goal here is to get to the report that breaks traffic down by channel. Now click on Traffic Acquisition. This report groups your sessions by channel, such as organic search, paid search, direct, referral, email, and more. It is a great place to evaluate which channels are bringing in the most visits and which ones tend to generate key events that represent conversions for your business. If a panel or selection is open that is taking up space, click the small text to close it, so you have a clear view of the chart and table. Next, click on the chart titled Sessions by Session Primary Channel Group Over Time. This helps you visualize how your channel mix changes across the date range you are viewing. Pay attention to spikes or drops, since they often align with campaigns, seasonality, or tracking changes. Then use the highlighted controls on the report to refine what you are looking at. This is where you can adjust the view so you are focusing on the channels and metrics that matter most for acquisition, like sessions and key events. After that, click on Age to apply a demographic filter or breakdown. This lets you compare acquisition performance across age groups, which can be useful when you are validating audience targeting for ads or content. Click on Select Match Type, and then click the highlighted option to choose how the filter should match your selection. Finally, click on A to apply the chosen value and complete the filter setup. At this point, you can read the updated chart and table to see how customer acquisition performance changes based on your selected criteria. That covers everything you need to know, and that is all there is to it.